Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to start an end-to-end encryption group chat on WhatsApp. This feature is essential for keeping your group conversations secure and private. With end-to-end encryption, only the participants in the group can read the messages. Let's jump right into the steps. First, take your Android device and open the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're logged in, and you'll see your chat list filled with your conversations. Next, locate the group chat you want to secure with encryption. This could be a family group, a project team, or any group of friends. Once you find the desired group, tap on it to open the conversation. Now, look at the top of the screen where you'll see the group name. Tap on that group name to access the group info and settings. This will give you various options related to the group. After tapping the group name, shift your attention to the top of the screen again. Here, you'll find the option labeled Encryption. This section provides details about the encryption status of your group chat. When you tap on Encryption, you'll see a unique encryption code. This is a vital step to ensure that your group chat is secure. To verify the encryption, you'll need to confirm the code with other members of the group. You can do this by showing them the code or comparing it against a unique QR code. Once everyone has verified the encryption code, you can feel confident that your group chat is protected. All messages exchanged in this group will now be secured with end-to-end encryption, ensuring that your conversations remain private. And that's it. You've successfully started an end-to-end encryption group chat on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.